Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get the Aviator Predictor activation code with an APK editor. So there's a lot of version for Aviator Predictor, so this method is very varied. It depends on which version you use, but generally you have an APK editor here, and then you want to search up Aviator Predictor, assuming you already have the APK, and then it'll show you all of the files here. There's a lot of like billing properties. There's a lot of stamp certificate, so open as text, for example, here. There's also Android manifest.xml. Now, the thing you want to search for is called the invalid ID or the activation code within these. So once you find that, you'd want to edit that, or if you want to copy the value of the token from there to activate your Aviator Predictor. But there's a lot of file you have to go through, and since a lot of the APK is different, the method extremely varies, so you'll have to search through all of these folder here to find the actual one you have to go through. See, there's a lot of here, so you just have to be patient, search through some of it, and then hopefully you'll find the activation token from within all of these codes.